Hello and welcome to a new episode How to Learn JavaScript from Beginner to Advanced. In this day, I would like to discuss with you about this pop-up window because this pop-up windows is an element that anyone website has a pop-up window, but let me to create for you a pop-up window who when you press the button close uh, will be split in two parts. One part goes from left and other from right, and that give you an effect like sliding doors. No, let's see here how looking. After 3 seconds will appear a pop-up. I have here this pop-up in the center now, and when I click this close you will see the effect. This is the effect. Again, 1 2 3 close button. When I have an event listener on this close, and this overlay, because I have here one div on overlay, will be split in two parts when I click this button. One part will go to the right and one part to the left, and you will see an effect like sliding doors again. And hello, this is your website. If you want to have this for your website, you can take the code from my GitHub account. I will put in this YouTube description. Sorry for my English, but this is the reason for this channel, because I don't know English, and I would like to learn this language, because without English I can't to learn. Okay, let me to explain you how to do this element again, and this is your website. Okay, I do this from CSS, but also from JavaScript. From JavaScript I have a few lines. It's not much, but instead from CSS I have more classes. Firstly, I have this overlay. As I split this overlay into two halves, left and right. I have another two divs. This is my overlay. The overlay is this part. Now this part with opacity. Okay. Overlay is my main overlay with position fixed, and also z-index 999, because I have this pop-up window with z-index 1000 is greater, because I want to put this pop-up on overlay, and overlay I want to put over text, and I put 99. Okay, also close button with z-index, because I want to put on my pop-up, and I have more classes here. I have overlay half. I have this animation transform. I have also this background with RGBR in green, blue, and this A is from opacity 0.7, sorry, and overlay the line half is this. class, and also I have on this element left class, I have this transform origin left because I want to go the split. When I click now, will go to the left. Okay, and right because I would like to go to the right, this transform origin. And here I have another animation, my element with class left and that is children of class element with class split. That let me to see here. Split, where I have split here. Overlay, split right, overlay, sorry, class overlay, I think, no, or id overlay, class split, class left, id overlay, this is class split, where I add this class split, start split animation, class list, I add this class split on my pop-up here when I close the button. Also I have here disappear overlay and animation with keyframe with more opacity. Initially at 0% is opacity 1 and the opacity is to 0, and also blur or scale from 1 to 1.2 again. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you understand how to create a pop-up using CSS and JavaScript. All the best.